Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to make tastiest green chicken, known as traditional Hariyali chicken as well. It is the tastiest food among the Punjabi people. They used to enjoy it and eat it with chapati and naan and even tortilla wrap. So keep watching this video and must try this recipe at home. Now let's go towards the recipe without any further delay. So I've taken a pan and I've placed it on the stove. I've turned on the flame on like medium. I'm going to place some oil into it, like 3/4 cup of oil, and with that I'm going to add some masalas, garam masalas. These are cinnamon, cardamom, and everything is mentioned above. So you can just follow the recipe. With that I'm going to fry it, and with that I'm going to add some chopped onions. Like I've taken medium size 4 chopped onions, and I'm going to fry them as well. So once these are going to turn in pink color, like a lightish pink, we're going to add the next thing, that is garlic ginger paste, about 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to give it a stir and mix it into my onions. With that I'm going to add red chili powder 1 tablespoon and coriander powder 1 tablespoon as well, and salt half tablespoon, and turmeric powder half tablespoon as well. I'm going to give it a mix, and you can see that the color of our dish or onions has changed with adding the masalas. Add some water into the mixture and give it a stir. With the help of a spoon, like a wooden spoon, just give it a stir so that the masala does not stick to the pan and does not get burned. And I have taken 1 kg chicken. I have washed it quite well, and I'm going to add it into my mixture. You can also take frozen chicken, and we're going to roast it for like 5 minutes into the masala. And once it's gonna get roast, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button, and remember to hit the bell icon as well, so you're updated with my latest videos on the first go. With the passage of time, you'll see the chicken will turn out to be white in color. Then we're going to add tomato puree, about 1 cup. I have taken some tomatoes and turned it into a paste. I'm going to give it a mix as well. Mix it for like 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll see the puree has turned out to be mixed into the mixture. And once you're gonna see the gravy start boiling, just cover it with the help of a lid. And now I'm going to give it a lid. You can see the gravy has started boiling. I'm going to cover for like 5 minutes or maybe 8 minutes as well, and the water is separated. I'm going to add dry fenugreek leaves. It's also available on any supermarket. I'm going to give it a mix so that the leaves has dissolved or mixed into the gravy quite well. And once it's done, we're going to give it we're going to cook it for like 5 minutes more. And you'll see that the oil has separated from the gravy, and the gravy has turned out to be more in brown color. We're going to give it a mix for like 3 to 4 minutes so that it's completely cooked and properly cooked from each side, from everywhere. Like the chicken is completely cooked. Now it's time to add the main ingredient of the recipe. I've taken fenugreek leaves, and these are fresh leaves, so I've made a paste of it. Like I've made the paste about 2 cups. I've combined water and the fenugreek leaves into it, and a little bit of also chilies. You can also add them. I'm going to properly mix it and place a lid onto it, and once the water starts boiling, it's time to mix it as well. Well, mixing is important in every single recipe, so like it requires 8 to 10 minutes to get mixed. And you can see I'm mixing it and giving it a stir. So while I'm giving it a mix, I would again remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet, and hit the bell icon again so you're updated with my latest videos. Now I'm going to place a lid onto it until the oil is separated from the mixture, from the gravy. With that I'm going to add garam masala and some green chilies. I have cut them before. I have taken coriander leaves separated from the stems, and yeah, I'm going to add it into my dish so that the flavor turn out to be good. Well, like we're adding coriander leaves for good flavor. And with that I'm going to mix it. You can also skip the coriander leaves part if you don't like it. With that I'm going to cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes, covering it with lid. Give it a mix. Well, mixing is quite important in this recipe, So give it a better mix. Now my recipe is completely done. It's ready to get served. I'm going to place it into a presentable dish and we're going to eat it with naan or whatever the thing you like. Also chapati. But sometimes some people eat it with tortilla wrap, or you can also eat it with rice. Some people do eat it with rice. So whatever you like. So do try this recipe at home, share it with your friends and your family, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any query, comment down below, and do let me know if you like this video or not. Till then, goodbye.